Core system libraries failing because of the Plugin Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. To start fixing Plugin Library manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the Plugin Library, a generic naming convention used by numerous proprietary applications, from specialized web tools to CAD suites, to house their internal plugin discovery logic. If missing, the host application will launch with all mod or extension menus grayed out, or will crash during the initial plugin scan phase. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. The presence of Plugin Library DLL is required for the Localized application extension logic engine to function, so you should perform a clean reinstall of the application, showing the error to redeploy the correct version of this dependency. If the Redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Plugin Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Remember that Plugin Library DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the Plugin Library environment. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Plugin Library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.